Hi everyone! Welcome to the introduction of Modelo 2.0. If you haven't watched the video on our revamped interface yet, feel free to check it out first, as it may hold a lot of important information to be able to navigate our new interface. As usual, you can contact us through hi@modelo.io or drop a comment below if you have any concerns, complaints, questions, or feedback. In this video, we will be talking about our new feature in Modelo 2.0, Follow Mode. What do you think is the future of online collaboration in 3D modeling? With Modelo 2.0, we're reimagining the way that you can communicate and collaborate with your colleagues and stakeholders. Even if you're thousands of miles away, you can communicate with each other just as if you're sitting right next to each other. From our first version of Modelo, you're able to share your models with other people through links. With Modelo 2.0, you can not only just share links, but also see what the other person is viewing when the person is viewing the model with you. You can activate follow mode by first sharing the link to your model with other people by copying the link here. When other people open the link on their own device and view your model at the same time as you, you can see them appear on the right corner here. To see what they are seeing, you can follow their views by clicking on their profile. And you can interact with them by leaving comments. Unlike Zoom or Google Meets, Modelo doesn't allow you to just see the presentation, it also allows you to comment on the presentation itself. By viewing the model from each other's perspectives, you'll be able to enhance your communication, and you can leave comments at any time. Through Modelo 2.0, we hope to create an environment where you're able to freely collaborate and communicate in the model. If at any point you're confused, angry, happy, sad about our new changes, we welcome your feedback. The question mark at the bottom of the model page leads to this tutorial, and if you want to contact us, go to the Help and Resources button there. If those methods don't work for you, just drop a comment below, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We're here to answer any questions you may have, and don't forget to check out the rest of the videos to learn more about our new functions. Your feedback will be crucial in shaping the future of Modelo, and we can't wait to hear from you. That's it for now for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.